In this program, we will use the printf and scanf function in the C language. First of all, we write the header files, include stdio.h, standard input output, header file which is used for the printf and scanf function. Next header file is include conio.h for clear screen and getch function. Then we write the main function whose return type is void. In the body of main function we declare the variables. I am taking here a variable a of integer type. After this I write the clear screen function which is used to clean the output screen. In the end I write getch function which is used to hold the output screen. If I want to print any statement, then we use printf function which is terminated by semicolon. In that, whatever we write in double quotes is printed in the output screen as it is. Suppose I write enter any number. So this line will be printed as it is on the output screen. If I run this program, then we can see the output here, enter any number. So printf function prints any statement as it is. Then if I want to take input, then we use a scanf function. For that we take two parameters. First is format specifier. Format specifier is represented by %d, then comma, then we write ampersand which is represented by and then variable name a. The scanf function is also terminated by semicolon. So here we write format specifier %d which specifies the format of variable a, and ampersand allocates the memory to the variable a. So if I want to see what the user has entered, then again I write printf function and in double quotes I write a is equal to %d double quotes comma a. Now this statement will print in this manner: a is equal to, then value of a is replaced by this %d, and we can see the output by running this program. Enter any number. If I print 5, then it shows a is equal to 5. So it is working fine. Here we have taken only one input. We can take as many input as we want by just copying this statement. Enter. I change it here first number, and in this I write second number. And first of all, this statement will be printed enter first number, and it will take value in with the variable a. Now I want another variable, so I declare the another variable b, and I copy this statement and scanf. In this function I change the value b so that we can take the input in the variable b. So we are taking two input in this program, and we can display two outputs. in this way. I just change the name of variable here. Now we can check the output. Enter first number. If I enter 3 and enter second number, then I enter 4. So it is showing that A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 4. Here, for better presentation, I can write \n for new line. \n is new line character. Again I go to the output screen. Again I press the number 3 and second number is 4. Then it shows A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 4 in new line. So we are taking here two inputs in a scanf function and we are displaying two outputs. We can do this two inputs in one statement also. How it is possible? Just see. We have declared two variables because we want the two variables. Then I just change the statement, enter two numbers. And instead of 1%d, I need 2%d. And instead of 1 %a, I need 2 %a in same scanf function. Now this program is working similar to the previous one. I just run this program now. Enter two numbers. If I press 3 and 4, the result shows here A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 4. So it is working fine. We can also take different types of input. For that we need different types of variables. I take one variable is character, one variable is of float, and to take input I just need to change the format specifier. Format specifier for integer is %d and format specifier for character is %c and format specifier for float is %f. Now I change the variable name here. %d is integer, so A is integer, yes. B is again integer, so we do not need the variable B. We only need the integer, character and float, only three variables. So I need A, C and %d. And to show the output, here I need to change C, C and format specifier is C. For float, variable name is D, format specifier is F and variable name is D. Now this program takes three types of data types variable, and I also change here three inputs. I can run the program. Enter three numbers, so I enter 1, 2 and 3.0f for float. So it shows A is equal to 1, C is equal to 2 and D is equal to 3 point. It shows 6 decimal values because by default float shows decimal values for up to 6 extension. Here also I write \n for better representation, and this program is working fine. So you can take any number of input or any type of data type variable to take input through scanf function, and you can print according to your requirement by the printf function. You can subscribe our channel Madhavam Tutorials to watch more and more C lecture videos.